Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 20th, our last day in our last week in Unit 4. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. As you know, on Async on Thursdays, it seems like you have a lot. So you're going to do a formal versus informal discussion. So earlier this week, you did a Nearpod on formal and informal. So you are going to do two responses if you are asked to meet and discuss something important. How you would to your supervisor and how you talk to your friend. Okay, and you just post it in the comment section. Make sure to read all the directions. Then you're going to complete part 1 and part 2 on page 78. Take a picture and upload. You are going to read this article, and each story, these women had a problem and a solution. So, paraphrase, don't copy and paste. What was their problem and what was the solution? Then you are going to do your POV for your top. Remember, your POV is your personal experience, yours or someone you know experience with the topic of racial inequality. If you're doing US education, so you're doing US racial inequality, US education, your experience. Or if you're police or if you're healthcare, okay? And you record. And that's it for async. It's Thursday. Let's go to sync. So we're going to continue working on our essay. Many of you I met with yesterday. Thank you for doing your assignments. I'll continue to meet with people, but you need to finish reading your essays and writing your POV and your claim. So, yesterday for homework, you had to do some stuff. So, we're going to put that in and start almost writing our essay. And that's it for today. Good luck.